So I am speaking with.
Jill Walsh from Unisys Corporation.
And what are you guys showing off here at the Unisys booth?
One of the programs that we're showing at the Unisys booth at this conference is our Stealth solution suite. Stealth is an NSA-certified enterprise-wide security innovation. And what we do is we stealth-enable communication endpoints, and our stealth key differentiator is the way that we can make endpoints that are stealth-enabled seem as though they were invisible on the network. So you can't find these endpoints, and hence our tagline, you can't hack what you can't see.
You can't hack what you can't, well, I'm going to guess, I can't see the word C at the end of that because it curves. But no, I believe you.
Okay, thanks. So Stealth is software-based, as I said. It executes very low in the protocol stack. And what we do is we take data messages, we encrypt those. They're 140-2 level certified encryption, AES 256. And on top of the encrypted message, we add the Stealth secret sauce, our Stealth IP. We split those messages at the bit level and separate the frames, create messages such that no one other than a particular stealth endpoint that is running the crypto keys for this particular session could reconstitute those messages, reformat them in an appropriate way. So it's an added layer on top of encryption security.
All right, now Ralph over here, you have got a couple of demos, one of data segmentation and then also handling bursts into the cloud, correct?
Correct, and the first demonstration has to do with these two laptops here. The one on the right is simulating two application servers in your data center that have been cloaked with stealth. One application is a web server, one is a file server. The laptop on your left is really two clients. Okay, the client on your left is able to gain access to the web server because it's in the same community of interest as the web server is. The client on the right, okay, is basically getting its files off the file server, which is in a different community of interest. If you were to run pings, which is what the example is on the screen, if you were to run pings from the second client and trying to access the web server of the first client, you'd see that the pings would time out and you'd not be able to get there because they are not members of the same community of interest. The second demo we have, and the slide might be useful, is we're here at the floor of VMworld. We have a stealth-enabled laptop that is taking a stealth VPN path back into an enterprise back in Malvern, the Unisys enterprise back in Malvern. From the laptop at the floor at VMworld, we land on a Win7 desktop. It's kind of a VDI play, spin on VDI. From the Win7 desktop, we basically then bursting into the Amazon cloud, Amazon VPC cloud, where we have two stealth-enabled workloads. One is a web server, one's a file server. These file servers, these workloads in Amazon are secured with stealth, but they appear to the enterprise as two servers, inside the enterprise. So from this desktop, if you looked at Windows Explorer, wow, come on. Oh. If you looked at Windows Explorer, you'll see the Y drive and the Z drive. That Y drive is in fact that first server in the Amazon cloud. The Z drive is the second server. So effectively, those two workloads in Amazon are secured with stealth, but appear as though they're local. So you can deploy workloads in a secure fashion in Amazon, protecting those workloads from access from the internet. Also, and more importantly, protecting access from other tenants inside of Amazon, cryptographically segregating and keeping them separate. The final point about this is that the key material, the cryptographic key material, is kept in the enterprise and not in Amazon.